Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to the day 2. So you can see my face condition, right? I am so tired. My body is aching all the time. We are going for a special place, special hilltop, which is very famous for sunrise. Okay, that's it. I am ready. I am waiting for Jay to get ready. Pompayya sir is also getting ready. Guys, have a great day. Keep watching.
Pompayya sir told us we will go for Matanga Hill sunrise, and while coming down on the same region we will find yellow-throated bulbul. So we have started early.
So guys, we have started our early morning trekking for Matungi Hills. So Matungi Hills is very famous for to experience sunrise, right? So it's pretty dark right now. It's 5:30. You cannot see the hill in this camera, so it is somewhere there. People are going. So guys, I have finally reached to the Matangi hilltop for to be a witness of this beautiful divine sunrise. I just thank to God for these beautiful vibes He has given to me or us. From the top, I've seen almost 70% of ruin of Hampi. When there will be sufficient amount of light, I will just show you around. Uh, so all of us are waiting for the beautiful sunrise. Yeah, and from somewhere I have heard a Sri Krishna chanting that flute. Somebody has played that thing. So yeah, it's pretty divine. We are trekking down. It's pretty risky, but yeah.
Kind of risky for me.
Kind of risky. Okay. For yellow-throated bulbul, we can do anything. Yeah. It's pretty easy now. So guys, while coming down from the Matungi Hills, actually we are targeting yellow-throated bulbul, right? So we have seen one yellow-throated bulbul in this, but there is a lot of clutter, you can see, right? So we cannot take the picture. So we are going to some other places to find that bird. Wish me luck. It is there. Come.
Guys, Shirkir Malkoa is not hard to find in this habitat. Just you need to keep your eyes open. Generally, it plays around the big rocks and cluttered trees.
Yeah, spurful male female, and there it was.
Both.
It's very yeah, common. So guys, beside the Hampi ruins, right? This is the Hampi ruins. Okay, so we have seen the sunrise from top, and we are getting down. So I've seen red spurful male female. It was just roaming here and there in those rocks and Shetkar Malkoha, and also yellow-throated bulbul. So we are planning to get few more good shot. Uh, So guys, in ruined Hampi you will find three kind of bulbul. One is yellow-throated, the gem of Hampi, and white-browed bulbul and red-vented bulbul. So we have got a few decent shot of, not decent, I'll say that is a record shot of yellow-throated bulbul. So we are giving more time to get some more good shots.
I hope you have seen the interview of Pompayya sir in my channel. There, he was talking about some stakeholders whom he wants to promote from Hampi. This shop is one of them. Heard that this is owned by a Tamil family. I must say the food is so amazing by its taste and hygiene, and the shop is so unique, which will give you the real village vibes. You must try it once from here.
So this is our breakfast. Jay, how was your birding experience today?
It was good.
Good, no?
Seeing that Malpa was really excited.
Yeah. And yellow-throated bulbul also you
Yeah.
got some good shot, right?
Yes, yes.
After an incredible birding in Hampi, we headed towards some uncommon local habitat for few other unique species. I have got these species from Big One, but seeing this with chicks gave me a goosebumps.
ಒಂದಿದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ವಿಡಿಯೋ
I am doing that.
ಓಹೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ತ್ರೀ ಚಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ವಿತ್ ಮದರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎ ಲೈಫ್ ಸರ್
Yes.
ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ ಮುಖದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ
ಹೌದು.
ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು
Extremely lucky to see Indian thickening. Huge camouflage. It is sitting there. Just take a look, guys.
I have seen this bird in the first time of my life. Its eyes are so hypnotic, and the bird itself is so gentle by its behavior.
ಮೇಡಲ್ ಬಂದು ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
So where's the So where's the In the end, we have found two beautiful, cute spotted owlet.
On the same day afternoon, around 1:30, we started for Daroji Sloth Bear Sanctuary. All details will be given on the detailed Daroji Sloth Bear Sanctuary video in my channel. Moving towards Sloth Bear Sanctuary and passing one after another different landscape was an eye candy for us. It is around 15-kilometer drive from the forest office. Just enjoy the nature. So general tourists will be provided the watchtower to watch sloth bears from the far. Bird watchers and dedicated wildlife photographers never go to the tower, but they will be sent to the hide only.
Looking like a zoo. Can't believe what we have just seen in front of our eyes. Huh?
It was such a different feelings in Sloth Bear Sanctuary where humans stays in cages and animals roam around free. Such an irony. In Sanctuary, they have given crops and jaggery in every afternoon and the show starts from it. We were extremely lucky to see the 2 months newborn cub with his mother. It was so playful all the time that it grabs everyone's attention.
मूंगूस भी है देखे रेड मूंगूस है हाँ रेड मूंगूस इधर से वो ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬೇಕು.
So while coming back to the homestay, our guide stopped the car in a barren land nearby to show painted sungrouse.
So guys, very lucky to see the painted sandgrouse male female couple. So thanks to Bhaiya. And how do you feel, Jay? Good, na? Great.
Also, we were lucky to find a bird button quail on the roadside. That's how our day 2 sightings gets over with a handful experience. We were extremely happy to see all the endemic species from Hampi. I hope you have also liked the video I shared. As discussed on the previous video, I will bring a detailed video of Daroji bird hides experience on 15 June. So stay tuned. See you on the next video. Till then, raise humanity and spread peace.